Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the center of gravity of an area. So example is find the center of gravity of an area of cardioid r equal to a 1 plus cos theta. So we know that center of gravity, the coordinates of center of gravity, that is x bar and y bar, and since your curve is polar curve, x bar is equal to what? Double integration r cos theta into r dr d theta upon that double integration r dr d theta, and y bar is what? Here r sin theta r dr d theta upon that r dr d theta. But the curve is symmetric about the line theta equal to 0, and center of gravity of an area of cardioid lies on the line theta equal to 0, so y bar equal to 0. So whenever your center of gravity lies on suppose x axis, then y bar is what? 0. Center of gravity lies on the y axis, then x bar is equal to 0. And if the center of gravity lies on the line y equal to x, then x bar equal to y bar. So here in this example, y bar equal to 0. Now to find out x bar, we have to find out the numerator and denominator. So what is numerator? Double integration r cos theta into r dr d theta. Now we know that r varies from this 0 to this curve, and the curve is what? R equal to a1 plus cos theta, and we have to find the CG of an area of cardioid. So theta varies from 0 to what? 2 pi, and integrand is what? R square cos theta dr d theta. Now integration of r square, first we'll integrate with respect to r and then with respect to theta. So integration of r square is r cube upon 3 from 0 to a 1 plus cos theta, taking that 1 by 3 outside and putting the value of upper limit, which is a cube 1 plus cos theta its cube. I am taking a cube by 3 outside, and 1 plus cos theta raised to 3, its expansion is what? 1 plus that, using a plus b cube formula, using a plus b brackets expansion, that is a cube 1 cube, then b cube cos cube theta, then 3a square b, that is 3 cos theta, and 3ab square, that is 3 cos square theta into this cos theta. And now we can integrate with respect to theta in between the limit 0 to 2 pi. Multiply this cos theta to the bracket. So we have integration cos theta in between 0 to 2 pi. Then integration of cos raised to 4 theta. Here I am using the reduction formula. We know that integration of 0 to 2 pi of cos theta, cos raised to n theta, is 4 into integration 0 to pi by 2. So here I am using the reduction formula, that 4 into integration 0 to pi by 2, that cos raised to 4 theta d theta. Next is what? That is this 3 as it is, 4 into integration 0 to pi by 2 cos square into this cos theta cos cube theta d theta. Next is this 3 as it is, that 4 into integration 0 to pi by 2 and cos theta cos square theta d theta. Now if you put the value of this, the integration of this term cos 2 pi is what? 1, and cos 0 is 1. So integration of this term is 0 and this is equal to 0. Now 4 as it is, then using the reduction formula, that n is 4, so write down that n in the denominator, then 4 3 2 1, since it is even, into pi by 2. So for this integration we have this value. Now we know that if the n power is r, then the integration of this term is 0, so integration of this term is equal to what? 0. Now for the next, it is 4 3, and then now you can write down 2 in the denominator, 2 1 pi by 2. So this 4 get cancelled, we have 3 pi upon 4 plus this is 3 pi, so a cube upon 3 in bracket, that 15 pi by 4, which is 15 a cube pi upon 12. Now similarly we can find out the denominator. Now what is denominator? Double integration r dr d theta. So double integration r dr d theta, again limits of r 0 to a 1 plus cos theta, and limits of theta 0 to 2 pi. Now again integration of r is what? R square by 2. I am taking 1 by 2 outside and putting the value of that r. So what we have? 1 plus cos theta bracket square. Now expand this bracket and integrate in between the limit 0 to 2 pi. Integration of 1 is theta. Integration of cos theta is what? Sin theta in between 0 to 2 pi. Here again I am using the reduction formula, that 4 into integration 0 to pi by 2, write down 2 in the denominator, 2 1 pi by 2. So answer is, denominator is 3a square pi upon 2. Now put the value of numerator and denominator. So what we have, 15. So to get the value of x bar, 15a cube pi upon 12 upon this 3a square pi upon 2. So some terms get cancelled and our answer is what, x bar equal to 5a upon 6. So the center of gravity of cardioid is what, x square, x bar is what, 5a upon 6, and that y bar is equal to what, 0. Thank you.